Here is a marketing copy for the Lee Women's legendary mid-rise flare jean, targeting men, tech enthusiasts, gamers, and story readers. Iconic American denim for the modern adventurer. Crafted with over 125 years of legendary design, the Lee Women's legendary mid-rise flare jean is the perfect fusion of timeless style and contemporary flair. Whether you're conquering the boardroom, the battlefield, or the open road, these jeans will be your steadfast companion. Featuring a mid-rise waist and a flattering flare silhouette, these jeans offer a versatile look that seamlessly transitions from day to night. Engineered with Lee's signature movement-inspired innovations, the premium denim fabric provides unparalleled comfort and flexibility, allowing you to tackle any challenge with ease. Imbued with the brand's core values of authenticity, integrity, and drive, these jeans are a testament to the enduring spirit of the American dream. Pair them with your favorite tee and sneakers for a casual, effortless vibe, or dress them up with a button-down and loafers for a touch of refined sophistication. Embrace the legendary legacy of Lee and elevate your everyday style with the women's legendary mid-rise flare jean. Forge your own path, and let these jeans be the canvas upon which you write your story.